Hey everyone. So it's a nice warm sunny Sunday afternoon today and we got a new project on the property. One of two that's supposed to show up. This is a 2000 Chevy Silvarato Z71 V8 4-wheel drive. And a quick story on this is the person who currently owns it bought it from a local car lot where a friend of mine works. It's considered a cash vehicle. It wasn't originally supposed to be financed because of the year and the mileage, over 200,000 miles on it, but he managed to get it financed, and there's no warranty on it because of the mileage, so obviously that's when bad luck strikes. Within a week of signing on the dotted line, transmission went. It's a nice looking straight truck, as you can tell, but the transmission's bad. And without it being under warranty, my friend can't do anything about repairs. And of course, I live on the highway, so I got to deal with all the noise, traffic noise. Anyway, so he can't do anything officially for the repairs or financial offsets as a result. So he called me to ask me if I could do it. Got with the truck owner and crunched the numbers. And long story short, I'm going to end up replacing the transmission on this. He's going to provide the transmission, fluid, filter, and all the good stuff, and I'm just going to do the labor and charge him accordingly. So we got a good looking interior here. Nothing's tore up excessively. It's nice shape. You got the liners in good shape, and we got a flashing security light. That's because I haven't put the key in the ignition yet. Here's all of our four-wheel drive controls, which admittedly I'm not accustomed to. I've always had the old-fashioned style four-wheel drive with the stick. That actually I think would make it a little easier. Got our automatic four-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 low, 4 high, 4 low. So that actually works a little to my benefit to make it a little easier. Let's see what kind of mileage this monster has. It's over 200K, I know. Okay, 243,221 miles. And sounds good. Now the service engine soon light is on. Hey, look at that, low fuel figures. Everything I get around here buried in empty, no gas. Service engine soon light is on because somebody, not the current owner, cut the catalytic converters off. And therefore the O2 sensors are tied into that, and without the O2 sensors, the service light is on. So I recommended that we come up with an O2 simulator, which even without an O2 sensors with check engine light on, it seems to run good. Good oil pressure, no fuel, good voltage. It's cold. It's been sitting here for about 3 hours, and I didn't drive it. I towed it. It does move. It's got first and second, no high gear. So, let's see what we got here. Radio sounds good. CD player, I'll check that out later. It's got all the little gadgets, air conditioning, of course. Passenger side airbag on and off, like that. It's got all the overhead compartments and gizmos and gadgets, stuff that you love. That's lights. That's what I was looking for. That's a thing for sunglasses, I think. All these little drop down. Oh, there's the sunglasses things. Oop, he might need those for work. I know where this guy works. Well, let's shut this thing off before we run it out of gas. But anyway, runs and drives. Gonna have to do a transmission replacement on it. And I'm not gonna charge him what a shop does. I think he quoted me. Shop told him it was like $900 to $1,200 just in labor. Clearly, I'm not gonna charge him $1,000. Ain't gonna happen. But I'm gonna make a little bit of money on this deal. So we'll make some update videos as we get some more work done on it. Comments welcome.